This video is about the English adverbs of place here and there, which are the respective equivalent of dito, diyan, and doon in Tagalog. Dito, diyan, and doon have an R variant, so in some instances, they change to rito, riyan, and roon, but we will talk more about it in a while. So when do we use dito and rito? Since they mean here or at this place, dito and rito are used when the action is near or towards the speaker. The meaning of diyan and riyan, on the other hand, is there or at that place. So it's used when the action is away from the speaker and closer to the person spoken to. Doon and roon also mean there or at that place, but the difference is the action is far from both the speaker and the person spoken to. Dito, diyan, and doon are used if the word before them ends with a consonant. For example, mainit dito, meaning it's hot here. Mainit ends with a consonant T, so you should use dito. Mainit dito. You may also say mainit diyan and mainit doon. The R variants rito, riyan, and roon are used if the preceding word ends with a vowel. For example, punta ka rito, meaning come here. The word before rito is ka, which ends with a vowel A or A, so you should use rito. Punta ka rito. Please note that dito, diyan, and doon can be placed at the beginning, middle, and end of a sentence. Rito, riyan, and roon are not used to start a sentence. You can only put them in the middle and at the end. In spoken Tagalog, we often use the contracted form of these adverbs of place. While dito and rito have no short form, diyan is often pronounced as dyan, dyan, and riyan is riyan, riyan. Doon is don, don, and roon is ron, ron. Filipinos instinctively know when to use one form over the other, but the majority of us prefer to use dito, diyan, and don, so we are not bothered at all when foreigners do the same. Let's now have a look at our first example. Halika rito. Halika rito, meaning come here or come over here. Dito ako uupo, doon ka. Dito ako uupo, doon ka. I'll sit here, you may sit there. I'll sit here, you may sit there. Ilagay mo yan doon. Ilagay mo yan doon. Put it over there. Put it over there. Magpahinga tayo rito. Magpahinga tayo rito. Let's rest here. Let's rest here. Dito ka ba nakatira? Dito ka ba nakatira? Do you live here? Do you live here? Pwede kang pumarada roon. Pwede kang pumarada roon. You may park there. You may park there. Bago ka lang ba rito? Bago ka lang ba rito? Are you new here? Are you new here? Hihintayin kita rito. Hihintayin kita rito. I'll wait for you here. I'll wait for you here. Anong ginagawa mo riyan sa taas? Since we seldom use the R variant, more often than not, you will hear a native Filipino say, anong ginagawa mo dyan sa taas? Anong ginagawa mo dyan sa taas? Meaning, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Dyan ka lang, huwag kang pupunta rito. Dyan ka lang, huwag kang pupunta rito. Stay there, don't come here. Stay there, don't come here. Masakit dito. Masakit dito. Meaning, it hurts here. It hurts here. Dito ako matutulog. Dito ako matutulog. I will sleep here. I will sleep here. You may replace matutulog with another verb in the future aspect like kakain, meaning will eat. Dito ako kakain. I will eat here. Ang lamig naman dito. Isara mo yang pinto. Ang lamig naman dito. Isara mo yang pinto. It's cold in here. Shut that door. It's cold in here. Shut that door. This is an imperative sentence, so it sounds like you're ordering someone to close the door for you. If you need to be polite, you should say, "Pakisara niyo po ang pinto. Please close the door." Pinayagan ako ng kuya ko na pumunta roon. Pinayagan ako ng kuya ko na pumunta roon. My older brother let me go there. My older brother let me go there. Diyan ba tayo magkikita mamaya? Diyan ba tayo magkikita mamaya? Are we going to meet there later? Are we going to meet there later? Diyan din ako nag-aral. Diyan din ako nag-aral. I also study there. I also study there. Ang ganda sa Paris. Gusto ko ulit pumunta roon. Ang ganda sa Paris. Gusto ko ulit pumunta roon. It's nice in Paris. I want to go there again. It's nice in Paris. I want to go there again. Nasa Baguio ka ba? Umuulan ba riyan ngayon? Nasa Baguio ka ba? Umuulan ba riyan ngayon? Are you in Baguio? Is it raining over there? Are you in Baguio? Is it raining over there? Gusto mo bang umupo roon sa tabi ng bintana? Gusto mo bang umupo roon sa tabi ng bintana? Would you like to sit over there by the window? Would you like to sit over there by the window? Hindi ko maaabot yan kung ilalagay mo riyan. Hindi ko maaabot yan kung ilalagay mo riyan. I won't be able to reach that if you put it up there. I won't be able to reach that if you put it up there. Iniwan ko ang kahon doon sa ilalim. Iniwan ko ang kahon doon sa ilalim. I left the box under there. I left the box under there. Huwag kang tumayo riyan sa lamig. Pumasok ka rito at magpainit. Huwag kang tumayo riyan sa lamig. Pumasok ka rito at magpainit. Don't stand out there in the cold. Come in here and get warm. Don't stand out there in the cold. Come in here and get warm. Hindi ako sigurado kung paano ako makararating doon. Hindi ako sigurado kung paano ako makararating doon. I'm not sure how to get there. I'm not sure how to get there. Gusto mo bang kumain dito o punta tayo sa ibang restaurant? Gusto mo bang kumain dito o punta tayo sa ibang restaurant? Do you want to eat here or go to another restaurant? Do you want to eat here or go to another restaurant? Lumiko ka roon sa kapilya. Lumiko ka roon sa kapilya. Turn there at the chapel. Turn there at the chapel. Pumasok ka sa kwarto mo at doon ka lang. Pumasok ka sa kwarto mo at dun ka lang. Go to your room and stay there. Go to your room and stay there. Sa tingin ko, tama ka riyan, Usman. Sa tingin ko, tama ka riyan, Usman. I think you're right there, Usman. I think you're right there, Usman. Hindi ako magtatagal dito. Hindi ako magtatagal dito. I won't stay here very long. I won't stay here very long. May sugat ako rito. May sugat ako rito. I have a cut here, or I have a wound here. Malayo ba yun dito? Malayo ba yun dito? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? May nakita ka bang tao roon? May nakita ka bang tao roon? Did you see anybody there? Did you see anybody there? Huwag mong itapon dyan ang basura mo. Huwag mong itapon dyan ang basura mo. Don't dump your garbage there. Don't dump your garbage there. Doon tayo magpa-picture. Doon tayo magpa-picture. Let's take a picture there. Let's take a picture there. Dito mo isulat. Dito mo isulat. Or, pakisulat dito. Pakisulat dito. Write it down here. Write it down here. Okay lang bang manigarilyo rito? Okay lang bang manigarilyo rito? Is it okay to smoke here? Is it okay to smoke here? May naaamoy akong mabaho riyan. May naaamoy akong mabaho riyan. I can smell something stinky there. I can smell something stinky there. Malas mo, wala siya rito. Malas mo, wala siya rito. You're out of luck, she's not here. You're out of luck, she's not here. Mababaliw ako kung dyan ako nakatira. Mababaliw ako kung dyan ako nakatira. I'd go crazy if I lived there. I'd go crazy if I lived there. Balak kong bumalik dito ng 3:00. Balak kong bumalik dito ng 3:00. I plan to come back here by 3 o'clock. I plan to come back here by 3 o'clock.